I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
I hope things will go out well today. Ay tonight. I hope na ma-execute na mo ng mga steps na ako. And also, may God bless other clusters na wala yung mga sa stance. Tapos, may the best performance with. Kasi deserving mo daw guys. John! Ulban ka John? Kaya lang. Naman may kaon and everything. Practice, around through, So guys, wala pa man nag-start. Saka mag-switch. Gain of energy. Ay, katugod na kami kanina pa. Pero ato lang gyapon ba kay sa contest ng CS. First CS. Guys, sa alas 8 na lang, wala pa minanayak. Sila ka nag-enjoy ito yung kasi na diba? Epekto sa Red Bull o sa chocolate.
So, we are the 6th performer. Ready na ba kayo?
Let's go guys!
First timer! Ready na ba? First year. Ready?
Ready na boy!
Ready, Zia! Ready?
Let's go!
Ready, Jimmy!
So what can you say?
I'm bawag! Don't vlog it!
Sige lang, oy! Katiin lang, katiin. Ikawak ng phone ko ha. Oo. Di ko niti lang man. Guys, this is it, pansit. Kaya po make it through the end and all the time, wala mo mali sa mga, wala mo danlog, wala mo injure. So guys, this is it. So, see you later guys.
wala ko wato.
Kanina guys, kanina vlog guys. Kamulo mo kulba kay ko before ko nag-perform. Wala ko na expect na upload niya. Oh, upload. Na mo tama o mugana ako muscle memory by promise. Legit kayo. Gane guys.
Sign first. Later to vlog na warning.
Ito na may warning na guys. Sayang. Laban. How was it?
I'm very proud of you all.
Yeah. John Rick boy.
Eh, proud na McDoy.
Guys, in our loss by worth it yun ang mga effort, pati ang mga struggles, then ang mga output kay one word sa itong output. Amazing guys. Super very happy nga na pull off to na mo. Though despite sa ka-resort ko guys. Thank you Lord. Kumana to Lord true. Mamingaw siya. Just for me. Yes. So guys, it's already awarding. So see you later guys. Manggo siya. Kay naganay na slide. Na-download dito nga stage. And murag risky siya para sa mo. Love it. Salamat. Expected na ma-pull up naman to siya. Full bag siya guys. But we managed to pull it up.
Paisa ako, Kobs!
Anaki ko, Kobs. Kobs, pagkulangan na ka, Kobs.
Laban!
2 hours later.
Guys, we ended up, wala namin naka-place, but sige lang. Guys, we lost, pero okay lang.
We lost, pero we know that we did our best.
At least wala namin nagmahay, guys. Nag-enjoy me, pero naman ko sa mga gusto mo daw, di ba?
Team namin ang best namin.
Pero at least wala namin nagmahay.
Sunod, dapat na ni ambulance pa, nagagsuga.
So hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Sorry kay guys, kay gabi wala na ako naka-outro. Kaya tungod kapit yung kaya guys. And yesterday was a very long day. Kaya tungod first is vlogger camp. Super fun. Eye-opener kay na mga realities good about vlogging, tas mga tips and tricks na ilang spill. And after that kay Sayawten was very super memorable kay it was my first Ateneo na contest na sayaw guys. So bali, it's a first for me na mag-join og nga itong competition. Though wala mi naka-place, okay lang yung kaya siya guys. Pero ang importante sa ako kay ang memories mang good. What a long day dude guys. And guys, that is all for today's vlog guys. So don't forget the super like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget guys na mag-comment sa baba kung na may gusto nga i-vlog nako, reaction, comments, or everything, request. Pakaya mo ng buhat And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!